Hello and welcome to another Luminous training video. My name's Tim and today we'll be learning how to use the Luminous XR portal. So the first thing you want to do once you've opened the portal homepage is to log in. You can find your username at the top of the email you received during the creator sign-up process when you created your password. Click Login, and once you're in, you'll be presented with the All Classes page. This will show you the class created during the creator sign-up process. You can also tab to the Users page here, which will show you 3 pre-made users that were automatically created during that same process. Here, you have the trainer at the top, which is the main or lead account, and 2 trainees for joining multi-user sessions. Clicking on the 3 dots to the far right of one of the users will allow you to view more details about that user. From here, you can see the achievements activity and session history, as well as the overall level of the user. You can also set and reset a user's PIN number from this page. At the bottom of the page, you can see a session list, which is unique to that user, showing all sessions of which they are currently a member. Heading back to the classes page, you can click on the chevron over here to open the information about this class. Each class contains a number of sessions, shown here in this list, which allows you to set specific scenarios and modules on a session-by-session basis, as well as which mode you want them to be in, whether that be assisted learning, practice, or assessment. Clicking on one of the users at the side here will take us to the user-specific page we saw earlier, with all the same information as before. The same info is available for each of the trainees within a class. Clicking on an already highlighted user like so will take you back to the class page. Each of the sessions in a class has a drop-down on the far left which shows us some more information about the session, such as how long has been spent on this session, the outcome, the session ID, the session name, when it was completed, and then if it's still in progress you can see what step the users are currently on. This will update as the user is in the module completing their assessment. The same is true for the assisted learning sessions and practice sessions. You can see all the same information here. To create a session, you can click on the plus button at the top right where it says Add Session. On the page that opens up, you can select a game mode. Here we're going to pick Assisted Learning. You can assign it a name, like so, and a date. So we'll just choose today's date, and the session expiry here is set automatically, but you can manually set it as well, like so. Then you want to select a scenario, and as a creator there'll be just the one here, and then we can select as many modules within that scenario as we like. Finally, you want to invite users to the session, so select those that you need. I'm just going to cancel this for now, but once you've clicked save, you'll see the session list is updated and your new session is available. If you've made a mistake or want to change anything at all, you can select the 3 dots at the right, then click Edit. From here, you can change any of the previously set fields that you might need to adjust. Once you've completed an assessment, you can also see a step log, which will provide you with a list of all steps in the module and the results of that step. If a user has failed, it will show you exactly which step they failed on. If a user passes, the entire list should be green and show a pass on every step. Navigating back to the Analytics page, you can see a breakdown of all information for a given scenario, as well as all users on your creator account. As you can see, we have 4 total sessions. We have our trainees here, as well as a session breakdown covering what modules we have set up. We also have the scenario breakdown where you can toggle the scenarios on and off, showing which scenarios are most in use. We also have a tab up here for the scenario analytics, as well as the class and trainee analytics at the top there for more detailed analytics on each. If you select your user in the top right here, you'll see you can log out, edit user, or look at your profile. Clicking your profile will take you to your user summary, which is again the same as if you were to enter the page through the Users tab. You can also edit your user where you can change their name, image, or any other details you might want to edit. And that's everything you need to know to start using the Luminous XR portal. Any further questions, please do see one of our other videos or check out the documentation.